Welcome, welcome to Baguio Day 1! Yes! Come on! Andito kami sa... Yes, saan tayo?
Hey!
The Plaza Lounge?
Yeah.
Toroy, ang pamayaman niya. Ay, salamat po. Opo. We're gonna semi-early check-in, pero hindi kasi mahal. Charis! So, what do you do again? Sorry.
Pa-fill up na lang po all the highlights.
Mima, walang Jercon dyan, Mi.
Wala pong aircon.
Actually po yung na-assign na po sa kanila is with aircon.
With aircon?
Sa akin,
Ang saya.
ganun din.
Oh, yung pala tayo.
And you are
Are you looking forward or backward?
Backward.
Backward. Ang ayun na, Liza, nagtago. Hi!
F-sharp.
We are gonna launch ourselves in lemon and olives. We lemon and olives ourselves. Welcome to Lemon and Olives, where the lemon is also an olive, guys. Ay, ate. Oh, di ba? We are gonna have Greek brunch. Like,
Yes.
brunch.
Halika dito.
Oh. Ay, ayan. So, abangan ang mga La Fest namin later.
Pala, I forgot. I heart this. And the heart.
Ay!
Ng pag.
Salad ourselves.
So good.
Mwah! Thank you.
And then, America. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite salad.
It is?
Yes, lagi kong ito lang ginagawa kong salad lagi.
Ayun ba?
We salad liquid gas. Like,
Sarap. Ang cute naman ng olive nila.
mm. Sarap.
Ay, yung picture
Yeah.
ko ulit. Mas affectional.
You flat lay yourself, Dai.
Fish correct. Let's see. Sensya na. Ang mga content creator natin. Lord, sana hindi siya lang. Pero kayo lang. Actually, parang lam to.
Mm. I like this. Finally checked in and I'm gonna give you a room tour. Ang ganda na room ko, te. Wait. So when you come in, sa kaliwa is the banyo. Oh. Pak. Pak. Then ito. Then ito. Then this one. Then doy. Ako lang talaga dito. Ano, te? Tumbling? Tumbling myself? Diba? Oh. Pak! And outside. Since wala pa kang tulog, mga mi, I believe dapat at this point, ibaborlogs muna tayo. Okay? So, see you again later. Hello everybody, it's 6:04 and oh my gosh, kakagising ko lang. That was a very good nap/sleep. no? Yung kasama ko si Liza, the recruitment manager of Coconut VA, is tulog pa. Same floor lang naman kami. But later we're gonna have dinner. So while waiting for that moment, I'm just gonna work first. Kasi I will be speaking twice today. I mean, in this trip. One for Barangay VA tomorrow and one for Coconut VA, which is the next one. So medyo kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko naman first time mag-speak ng like in person, face to face. Pero hindi pa ako handati. Wala pang presentation, wala pang kahit ano. So yun ang aatupagin natin right now. So come on and work with me, mga mi. We are grabbing dinner. Saan tayo pupunta? I forgot the name, but we're having steak. Outlook Cambular. We're having steak. Kasi crave si bakla ng steak. So we go. We go, dai. We go. Ala, akla. Oh, ganda oh. Oh. Dito, dai. This is the way to the Outlook there. Yeah. Are you excited to eat steak?
Excited.
Like
it's like my first time, pero it's not. It's not my first time. It's my favorite.
yeah, we're excited to eat steak. Walang tao dito, dai.
Tao, kami lang.
Serve namin ang buong Outlook, te. So, napupuno daw sila
May
dito.
Outlook dito, like a Microsoft.
Outside, you look outside, dai. Yeah.
Outlook for
Yes.
the Microsoft Office.
It is. Papakita namin yung pagkain sa inyo. Nagmamatakaw na naman kami, Mi. Welcome to the solid liquid gas salad. Yes, it is.
Go, grow, glow.
Yes. O, ano na, te?
Ano na?
Kaya mo yan?
I love it. A lot.
Oo.
Just for two.
Salad,
Ang sabi.
sausage fest, steak,
Porterhouse.
cambular.
Kembler.
Sa kanya lahat yun, te. Papanoorin ko na siya. Oh, you like it? Cheers,
Yes,
guys.
mukbang. Okay, cheers. Yeah.
Let's start with the pasta. Because the
Ay, ang
pasta.
I want
Why is the bread super black? Because once you go black. Sure.
Tingin na nga ang target ko next.
We pasta ourselves. Yung sa ipin. Cheers. Sarap dahil. Sarap dahil. Salad ourselves.
Siguro kuha akong hot sauce.
Cajun shrimp salad.
Sir, may hot sauce kayo? Hot sauce.
Sarap te. What kind of sausage is this?
Parang ito isa. Parang Hungarian.
Sarap dahil.
Sarap no? Grabe, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa mga savory. Rar!
Oh, OMG. Sinong mama mo? Sino na ngayon? Kahapon si Corazon, ngayon sino? Let's have it without the sauce. Uy!
Sarap.
This is well seasoned. Dahil. We are carnivorous. Uy! May na nga kayo. Ay, na ka na. Liza versus the steak, te. Oh.
Kaya natin to. Hala sis!
Ilaban mo yun, sis. Oo, para sa ekonomiya. Oh, wow, you like it?
We like it medium rare.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tada!
Oh, you eat yourself, Dai. Eat yourself.
Okay, I'll try it without the sauce.
Sauce.
The sauce. Okay. Oh, ganda, diba? It's
Ano mas maganda, yung steak o
Pinky.
ikaw?
both. Para fair. Sarap.
Di ba? Sarap na, wala
It's
pa.
100 over 1. Ganun.
At 2,000 plus lang yan, Day.
Oo.
2,000 plus lang yan.
Ang laki. For ano siya, good for 4.
It is Dax. Yes. We are back sa hotel. It's time to work. Ito, okay. Final shift na po natin ngayon. No, matutulog ako sometime like hopefully before 3 a.m. Kasi bukas ang start ng event which is the Baguio Digital Nomad Fest. Okay. Hindi na kami sasama sa tour na 10 a.m. Doon na kami papasok sa 2 p.m. na co-working session. So I'm very, very excited to see all of you. For now, I want to focus on my work and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.